Okay, our session is on recording now. So just a moment, and I will share my screen. Okay. This is where we are, and we're on this. So we have 1 week on this sprint. So yeah. So what means by today, tomorrow, we should be tidying up. So I hope you can see my screen.
Yes.
Okay. So I'll be working on this work item, and what I need to do is to get the license, and to do that I have to getting the license and setting the environment up. So I'll go to Microsoft. This is Microsoft. This is their center for Dynamics 365. So you can start with the free trial, and free trial can take you for 30 days. So whether you are working on CRM or ERP, they have give you 30 days. But there are some of them they have refused to give out for free trial, and that is ERP, finance and operations. So let's scroll down and see what we have here. So these are all the stuff we have here for Dynamics 365, and this is for all services. Here you can see for all. So we have sales, we have services, we have small and medium enterprise, we have marketing, we have customer data platform, we have commerce, we have finance and operation, we have supply chain, and we have human resources. These are all their ERP, CRM, supply chain, and human resources, and even e-commerce. We have everything here. So you see here, why I'm showing you everything is that tomorrow you might be working on customer center or customer service, not sales. So you should be able to know what, or field service or business central, which any of them, know that they are all free for 30 days. After 30 days, you start paying. So all these are free. Then if you continue to go down, you will see that they are e-commerce. If you want it, you request a demo. It's not free. Finance and operations. This is an ERP for large enterprises, like big enterprises. This is what they are using. If you master this, it's a lot of money for you. But they have for medium, this is for small and medium enterprise, and that is the one I'll be using to teach. That's called Dynamics 365 Business Central. Is ERP. This one is ERP as well for large corporation like Microsoft itself, Facebook, Google, this is what they are using. NHS, this is the kind of ERP they are using. So you see, they are not giving it out for free for even for 1 day, but you can leverage on their small and medium enterprise. You see the same thing, so and learn, and that's what we are using. So if you come for, they have project operations as well for managing projects, and collaboration is free as well. It's not that popular anyway. Then we have supply chain. Supply chain, this is theirs, and it's not free. This is for transport and logistics. You know, this is what they use, but it's not for free. You have to request a demo. This is human resources. It's not for free. You have to request a demo as well. So, but in our own case, what we're looking for is this Dynamics 365 CRM cells. We'll talk about CRM. CRM covers customer service here, contact center as well, field service as well, and yeah, this is now business central, and this is marketing. So this is what we're interested in, sales. So we can manage our contractor lead. So let's click here and we'll get it free. So this is it, and you need to enter email to start it free by signing up. Like here, we agree. Yeah, so there's email we need to put, and I've got an email for this, so I just created it. So it's okay. I want to use this opportunity to let us know. I was going to say it, but we are changing MonieFi. We are changing our name again, and the reason being that MonieFi, we wanted some other services. We have clashed with MoneyPoint on several occasions. So even some of them have come to me, MoneyPoint people. So some people get confused even if whether we are more a part of MoneyPoint, like we wanted to create a contactless pay this thing. And some of the people I tried to talk, some of the investors, they are thinking we are part of MoneyPoint. And MoneyPoint, they are expanding as well. Even they are trying to expand to UK as well, the operation. So MonieFi, MoneyPoint will be clashing, and I said, no, I don't think it's a good idea. It's better to find our own path and become unique. Before we go launch, not after launching and we'll start getting maybe call or litigation or this. So I don't. That's why we're changing. So we are going to changing to a name called instead of money, we'll take that money away and we'll put 60. So it's now the main name is even shorter and catchy. So it's now called 65, which is mean 60-second finance. Yeah, so we're no longer MonieFi, we're now 65. So we're going to rebrand everything we're doing. So that's a lot of work, but that is you if you want to become a business owner, these are things you face. So the email is going to be D365 CRM at 65.com. Yep. So, and we start. So it says, please enter a work account. Yeah. So it's a work account, just because it's not, we don't have account already. It say to continue with this email, set up a new account. So we're going to create a new account. You see it here is closed. If you don't look very well, you might start struggling that it's not taking your email. You don't want to, but you look at this small message here. So we click here and we'll start. So that is we'll put the email again and see D365 CRM at 65.com.
It's supposed to be D365.
Yeah, thank you. D365.com and we'll click next. Okay. Resolve the puzzle here. So let's go resolve this puzzle. Okay. Use arrow to rotate to face the same direction as the axis in the left image. Okay.
You click at that arrow, yes.
Yeah. Think, yeah, that is the same direction. And I'll submit. Yeah. Now it's verified I'm not a robot. Okay. So I'll click set up account. Okay. Put a name. Right. Yeah, let's move. Okay, I'll use my name. Mm, yeah. Need to write some of these things down because very soon I forget and have a lot of stuff on my head. All right, next. A moment. So, all right. So, at this point, it's going to require our bank details. So, I'm going to add my bank details. So, when you are going to do your own, you're going to add your bank details. And if you don't add your bank details, it's not going to go through. So, So at this point, I need to stop sharing my screen. When I finish entering my bank detail, I will say, because I don't want Ego to hack my bank account. All right. Okay. So 128 and third and yep, and I'll say, okay, I'll need to enter the 1. Yeah, I'm still trying to enter the payment details. Okay, and that's it. Oh, all right. Okay, let me come back and start sharing my this thing. I'll finish entering the bank detail, and so that's it. Immediately after entering the bank details, this is the page. This is the page. So it's the username and the password I created. Whenever I want to log in, I will use this username or the email and the password I created to log in. So I'll save it where I can remember it. And Create a notepad. Okay. Let me add password, join it. Yeah, and I'll save it as okay. D365. Call it 65. I'll save it. And I'll back it up as well. All right, let's continue as it. I'll give it us thank you for signing up for Dynamics 365 Sale Premium Trial. This is our username. This is your email, and you can get started. So from here, now we've gotten the 1 month license. So all we need to do now is to start the configuration. So here we'll start to get started. That is the next thing we need to do. It's still loading, so let's have some patience. So at this point, what he's trying to do is to create an environment where we are going to host the application. That is the thing we need to do. We can't do anything without having a dedicated environment, call it dev environment, where this application is going to be hosted in their uh, cloud platform. So it's taking time though. So I don't know why, because if you look at here, there is a message here. They are trying to the classic platform, the classic power platform admin center. Yeah, that is this is the admin center will be retired, meaning that they will discontinue using this. There is an upgrade after 4th of September 2025. So I don't think we're, you know, okay. What I'll do is I will refresh it as it's not coming. Let's see. See. You know, in the past, I've been working here. It used to be faster than this. But I don't know why it's taking time to load. I want this to be fast because we have another class by 8:30. Okay. I think well, I need to move to another browser because I don't have time for this. Trying to get into another browser. I don't know if it's from Google Chrome. Okay. Put this and see if it's see, it's not giving us any error message, and that's my problem here. Okay, let me do some. Hmm. I'm troubleshooting from background to see what. It's not, I know it's not a serious issue, but I'm trying for other. Other browser. Okay, I've signed in with another browser, and it's still loading in the same browser. The same results we're getting here is the same results we're getting in this browser as well. So
So this could be from their site, you know.
Yeah, I'm just
They're
trying.
having a downtime or something.
I'm just trying to.
Troubleshoot here and there.
Yeah, so to see. Yeah. That is one thing with admin developer, you can counter problem and we start troubleshooting, and yeah. It's actually taking some time, but I'm just trying to. Okay. I have to go start. It went and created environment for us automatically. I have to want to create environment manually about actually taking one step back to create a group for us. So this is the environment it's trying to create for us, but it's not working. So I'll have to create it manually. So, so from here, I'll add another one. So, and it's 65 CRM. Choose a group. So, mhm. So, okay, is creating. You can see is preparing. Once it says ready, then we can move. Let me refresh. Just have time. So it's ready. This is ready now. Okay. This has created the environment, and I need to quickly open the environment. This is this is the environment is created now. So this is the link that will take us to the Dynamics 365. We are going to cells. We are going to customize. All this we are doing is what we call configuration. We call configuration and customization. So it can take some time. It can be fast. You can have issues. You can have take us straight to so it's taking time to it's coming up. Okay, these are all the applications we have got here. So we're going to look for Dynamics 365 CRM sales. Yeah. So this is all the Dynamics here. And field service. So this is Sales Hub. Sales Hub, this is what we're going to customize to use. And I'll click on it. And here we are. Yeah. So this is it. This Dynamics 365 CRM Sales Hub. And it's now ready for, you see everything here is blank, no data. So everything is blank, can't see anything. So, and what we want to do is this lead management. So we don't have anything any data here. So I'll quickly, everything, nothing is here, but the system is ready for use. So I'll quickly rush here to advance to import demo data to use. Let's see, customer. So I'll go to System and Data Management. what I'm looking is for data management. I need to sample data here, and I will install sample data for us to use, and I play around. If you have your own data, this is the time to start, importing your own data, because you don't have any data. That's why I'm importing sample data. So when we finish, I can come here and remove the sample data we use. So we've imported sample data installed in the system, close. So I'll go back to this place. We should have, I should refresh. We should be able to see some data sets here now. Yeah. You should have some data.
So are you on my open leads?
Huh?
You are on my open leads. Maybe you should check it.
Okay. Yeah, the sample data is now ready now. So if I go to lead here, you can see we have some data sets. Here you can see we have this data set here. We have, so that's it. And that's it for tonight. Tomorrow we'll continue. Yeah, we'll have data sets. We've done the configuration, imported data sets. You can see we have data sets here. That's it. So it's now fully configured and data set imported. So yeah, I'm sorry it took long, but we are finally here. I'll create a step-by-step guide, which I will give to you people for any if you want to, or the main thing will finally set it up and import a data set here. So that is it. For tonight, I will not take any question because of time. Yeah. So no question because of time. But we'll catch up tomorrow. If you have any question you want tomorrow, you will be able to ask. So tomorrow we are trying to do testing. That's what we're going to test all this with the configuring. So I have to log into another environment to do some things here, but like as a developer, you can be working with different windows, troubleshooting the here and there, and it's difficult trying to show you everything I'm doing. But I just wanted to have an experience on how it can be configured. So thank you, and I have a class, 2 minutes to log into the other class. So very sorry, I have to leave.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
All right.
Thank you, sir. See you soon.
All right.
Thank you, sir.
All right.